Welcome to our Home. I am Devinder. In this class, I will explain about you class 7th maths. Now you can see here exercise 5. Question number 5. Write the following decimal numbers in expanded form. We have to write here expanded form. First you can see here first one 55.5. 55.5 once you can see here 5 is at units place. Here 5 is at tens place. But you can see here 0.5, that means here it is at 10th place. First of all I am writing here 5, that means here 10th place. You can write here 5 into 10. You can write here 5 into 10 plus this is at units place, so that you can write here 5 into 1 plus here 0.5, that means here 10th place. 10th place means you have to divide with 10 only, that means you can write here 5 into 1 by 10. Now you can write here simplified form 5 10 ja 50 plus 5 1 ja 5 plus 5 1 ja 5 by 10. This is your simplified form. Just we have to expand it 50 plus 5 plus 5 by 10 only. In the similar way, one more question you can see here 5.55, that means here 5 is units place, 10th place, 100th place, that means you can see here 5, you can write here 5 into 1 plus here 5 is a 10th place, that means you can divide with 10 only, that means here 5 into 1 by 10 plus here 5 is at this 5, second 5 is at which place, 100th place, so you can divide with 100, 5 into 1 by 100. Now we can write here simplified form 5 1 ja 5 plus 5 1 ja 5 by 10 plus 5 1 ja 5 by 100. Just very easiest problems these are all. See here 303.03. see here this is at units, tens, hundreds. Here 0 is at 10th, 3 is at 100th place, so that I am writing here 3 into 100. First one here 3 into 100 plus 0 into 10. Yes or no? 0 into 10 plus here 3 into 1. You can write here 3 into 1 plus here 0. That means you can see here 0 means, can I write here 0 by 10 or not? That means I am writing here 0 into 1 by 10. Yes or no? Yes. Plus here 3 into, you can write here 3 into 1 by 100. Why? Because it is a 100th place. Now you can see here 3 into 100, 300. Yes or no? 300 plus 0 into 10, 0 only, plus 3 into 1, 3 only, plus 0 into 1 by 10, that means 0 only, 3 into 1, 3 only by 100. Now you can write here 300 plus 3 plus 3 by 100. This is your solution. Now you can see here expanded form of one more question 30.303. 30.303. 3 is at tens place, units place, 10th place, 100 place, 1000th place. So that I am writing here, see 3 into 10 plus 0 into 1 only plus 3 into 10th place, that means you can divide with 10 only, 3 into 1 by 10 plus 0 into 1 by 100. Yes or no? 0 into 1 by 100 plus here 3 into 1 by 1000, 3 into 1 by 1000. Why? Because it thousands place, 10th, 100th, 1000th place. So you can simplify here 3 times how much? 30. Here 0 1 0. Here 3 into 1, 3 by 10 plus 0 into 1, 0 plus 3 into 1 by 1000, 3 by 1000. Yes or no? Yes. So that you can write here 30 plus 3 by 10 plus 3 by 1000. This is your solution. See one more question 1234.56. see here 1234.6 units, tens, hundreds, thousands, so that you can multiply 1 into 1000, 2 into 100, 3 into 10, 4 into 1. See I am writing 1 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 4 into 1 plus, you can see 0.56 means it is 10th place, it is at 100 place, that means you can write here 5 into 1 by 10 plus 6 into 1 by 100. 6 into 1 by 100. Now you can simplify here. 1 into 1000, 1000 only. 2 into 100, 200 only. Plus 3 into 10, 30 only. 4 1 ja, 4 only. Plus 5 into 1, 5 by 10. Plus 6 into 1 by 100, 6 by 100 only. This is your complete solution. Just standard form which is in expanded form only. This is your answer. Now you can see here question number 6. Write the place value of 3 in the following decimal numbers. We need to find here place value of 3. See here 3.463. Is it units place or not? Yes or no? Yes. So that we can write here place value of 3 in 3.46 is equal to 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is how much? 3 only. Your answer is 3. In the similar way, 32.46. See, 3 is at which place? This is units place. This is at tens place. Tens place or not? So that you can write here place value of 3 in 32.46 is equal to 3 into 10. So that I am writing here 3 times how much? 30. Your answer is how much? 30 is your answer. In the similar way, you can see here 3.43. Sorry, 7.43. 7.43. See, 3 is at which place? Here 10th place. It is 100th place. So that you can divide with 100 only. Place value of 3 in 7.43 is equal to 3 into 1 by 100. Yes or no? 3 into 1 by 100 means 3 1 ja, 3 only, 3 by 100. You can write answer as 3 by 100 is your answer. Next you can say 90.30. 90.30. How can you write here? 3 is a 10th place or not? 10th place. See, 9 is a 10th place. That means you can multiply with 10 only. 3 is a 10th place. You can divide with 10 only. That means here I am writing here place value of 3 in 90.30 is equal to 3 into 1 by 10. That means you can write here 3 1 ja, how much? 3. 3 by 10 is your answer. Next you can see one more one. 794.037. 3 is at which place? 10th, 100th. That means you can divide with 100. Place value of 3 in 794.3037 is equal 3 into 1 by 100. That means you can write here 3 1 ja, how much? 3 only. 3 by 100 is your answer. Very easiest problems which are. Now you can see here exercise 5 question number 7. Aruna and Radha start their journey from two different places A and E. Aruna chose the path from A to B then to C. A to B then to C. Once you can see here diagram A, B, C, D, E. Aruna starts from A. That means Aruna choose the path from A to B. That means from A to B and then to C. That means the total distance traveled by Aruna is how much? AB plus BC. Yes or no? Yes. See, while Radha choose the path from E to D then to C. That means Radha starts from here E. From E to D and then to C. That means ED and DC is the distance traveled by Radha. Once you can see here, I am writing here from the diagram. Aruna chose the path from A to B. It is A to B, then to C. That means I am writing here the total distance traveled by Aruna is equal to AB. AB is equal to how much? 9.50 kilometers plus B to C how much? 2.40 kilometers. Once you can see here, already given in the question they have given Aruna starts from A to B. That means 9.50 then B to C. Here how much? 2.40. Just you can add this both. 0 plus 0, 0 only. 4 plus 5, here 9 only. 2 plus 9, 11 only. That means here 11.90 kilometers. Aruna traveled how many kilometers here? 11.90 kilometers. He is traveled at 11.90 kilometers. Next you can see there. Next, whereas Radha chose the path from E to D, then to C. That means here Radha starts from here E to D plus to C. That means ED plus DC. That means ED is equal to how much? 8.25. So that I am writing here the total distance traveled by Radha is equal 8.25 kilometers plus 3.75. 3.75 kilometers. Just you can add this both. How much it is you can see here. 5 plus 5, here 10 only, 1 carry. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 2 is how much? 10 only, 1 will be carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 8 is how much? 12. That means here 12 kilometers. Just you can see here 11. See, Aruna traveled how many kilometers? 11.90 kilometers. Radha distance is how much? 12 kilometers. Just you can observe here 11.90, 12.00. Which is the biggest one? Compare it. Which is the biggest? 12 is biggest, 11.90. 12 is biggest, so that I am writing here 12 is greater than 11.90. That means once you can say here who traveled more distance. Radha traveled more or not? So that you can write here Radha traveled more distance. Yes or no? Yes. And that question they are asking how much also. They mentioned here how much, so that you can find the difference. Your difference is how much? Difference between their journeys. Difference between their journeys how much here? 12 kilometers. That means here 12.00 minus 11.90. 11.90, it is only kilometers. You can mention here kilometers. See, 12 kilometers minus 11.90 kilometers. See how much here? 0 minus 0, 0 only here. 0 minus 9. Is it possible? Just you can see here 12.00, 11.90 minus 0 minus 0, 0. Here 0 minus 9, it's not possible. You can take carry here 10. 10 minus 9 is how much? 1 only. See here 11 only. 11 minus 11, 0. That means here 0.10 kilometers. Yes or no? You can write here 0.10 kilometers. So that if I am writing here, you can convert them into meters also. See, how can you convert kilometers to meters? You know that just multiply with 1000. So that I am writing here 0.10 into 1000 meters. See, if I am multiplying with 1000, see how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 zeros. You can keep the decimal point. That means you can move the decimal point to right side to 3 places. So that I am writing here. First I am writing 10. This is the one place. This is the second place. This will be third place. You can keep decimal point 0. That means here how much? 100.0 meters means 100 meters. See, in that question they are asking by how much. See here, find who traveled more and by how much. You can write there Radha traveled 100 meters more than Aruna. This is your solution. Now you can see here question number 8. Upendra went to the market to buy vegetables. He brought 2 kg 250 grams tomatoes, 2 kg 500 grams potatoes, 750 grams ladyfingers and 125 grams green chilies. How much weight did Upendra carry back to his house? That means he brought 3 kinds. Yes or no? 3 kinds of vegetables he brought. See, tomatoes, potatoes, ladyfingers, green chilies. That means total 4 types of vegetables he brought it. They are asking totally how much weight. That means total weight of vegetables is how much. So that first of all I am writing here as per the given data. The weight of tomatoes is how much? Tomatoes. See here tomatoes 2 kg 250 grams. See 2 kg 250 grams. Yes or no? Yes. See, how can you convert? How can you convert grams into kilograms? You can convert them into all the vegetables to either grams or kilograms. For easy purpose, I am converting grams to kilograms. See, 2 kg plus 250 grams. How can you convert 250 grams to kilograms, just you can divide with 1000. Yes or no? 250 by 1000 kilograms. That means you can write here 2 kg plus C. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 zeros in the denominator, so that you can write the decimal point after 3 digits from right side. So that numerator first you can write here 250. Then you can write the decimal point from right side after 3 digits 1, 2, 3. So that you can keep your decimal point 0.250 kg. Then you can add it here 2 kg, that means 2.000 plus 0.250 kg, that means just you can add together 2.250 kilograms. See, it is very easy purpose. 2 kg 250 grams means just you can put here decimal point directly 2.250 grams only, 2.250 kilograms only. Yes or no? In the similar way you can write the remaining. See, I am writing. See, next one, the weight of next one here, potatoes is equal, the weight of potatoes is how much here? 2 kg 500 grams. 2 kg 500 grams. 2 kg 500 grams. For each and every problem you need not do this one, directly you can write here 2 kg means 2.500 grams means 500 kg, 2.500 kg. In the similar way, next we can write it the weight of next one here, potatoes completed. Next, lady fingers is equal, already they mentioned here 750 grams. 750 grams means just you can put point before 750, 750 kilogram. Just very easy, 0.750 kilogram. Yes or no? 500 grams means I am taking a decimal point before 500 or not, so that I am writing 0.500 kg. Next here, the weight of one more thing here, green chilies. You can write here the weight of green chilies. You can write here the weight of green chilies is equal to 125 grams. 125 grams, that means you can write here 0.125 kilograms. Yes or no? And also now they are asking, what is the question? See, how much? See here, how much weight did Upendra went back to his house? That means you can write here the total weight of the vegetables. You can write here, therefore the total weight of the vegetables brought by who taken here? Upendra is equal, just you can add all the together. See here, 2.250 plus here 2.500, don't read 500. See, 500 plus 0.750 plus 0.125. These are all in kilograms. Yes or no? Just you can add together. You can see how can you add. Just here I am doing a rough work here. 2.250 2.500 0.750 0.125 5, just you can add here 5000, that means only 5 only. 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 5 here 12, that means I am writing here 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 2 here 16, that means I am writing 1 carry, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5, 5.625, that means you can write here 5.625 kilograms, the total weight. Here how much here? 5.625 kilograms is your answer. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our class 7th maths playlist.